Embark on a captivating off-the-beaten-path walking trip and sightseeing tour of Florence, where you'll uncover hidden gems alongside iconic landmarks. Start your day by gazing in awe at the magnificent Dome of Florence, its intricate architecture reaching for the sky. Marvel at the grandeur of this masterpiece as you learn about its fascinating construction and the talented minds behind it. From there, meander through the charming streets, away from the bustling crowds, and find yourself at the renowned Uffizi Museum. Step into a world of artistic splendor as you explore its vast collection of masterpieces, including works by Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Da Vinci. Let the timeless beauty of these artworks transport you to a realm of imagination and creativity. Once you've indulged in art, venture off the well-trodden path and discover the city's hidden treasures. Stroll along quiet alleyways, where local artisans passionately craft their wares. Peek into small workshops, where delicate hand-blown glass or intricate goldsmithing techniques come to life. Take a leisurely walk along the Arno River, crossing charming bridges with picturesque views of the city's skyline. Pause to admire the iconic Ponte Vecchio, its arches adorned with jewelry shops that have stood the test of time. Find respite in the Boboli Gardens, a secret oasis nestled behind the Pitti Palace. Wander through its meticulously manicured lawns, shaded pathways, and serene fountains. Immersing yourself in the tranquility of nature, end your day with a panoramic view of Florence from Piazzale Michelangelo. As the sun sets, casting a warm golden glow over the city, let the breathtaking vista of rooftops, domes, and the Arno River leave you with a sense of awe and wonder. This off-the-beaten-path walking trip and sightseeing tour offers a unique perspective on Florence, allowing you to discover hidden corners, admire world-renowned art, and experience the city's rich history.